Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Trupti Pai and I've been practicing homeopathy for the last 15 years. I've been associated with the National Institute of Clinical Excellence for last 3 years. I would like you all to know a little more about the courses offered by our institute. We offer both basic and advanced courses. In our basic course, we have metamorphosis. So to know what is metamorphosis, it is a training and transformation of the practitioners to face modern day challenges, a journey from college to actual practice, an opportunity to upgrade your clinical skills, to boost your confidence in clinical practice. It's a complete program for the one who want to excel in their homeopathic career as a classical prescriber, with no compromise on the core homeopathic principles laid down by our master. Most of the times what happens is many practitioners, when they graduate, they have those teething troubles or challenges like how to practice, how to start a practice, what challenges they will face, or there are people who would have taken a break from their career due to personal or financial problems, and they later on want to start their practice. So this metamorphosis course is a gateway for their future success, which will help them into redeveloping or revising all their basics and getting back the confidence in practicing homeopathy. The modules that we cover in metamorphosis is perceiving, case taking, approach to materia medica, approach to different types of repertory and repertorization, understanding and application of miasms, study of trimasmatic remedies, constitution and temperaments, acute prescription, second prescription, biochemic remedies, rare remedies, posology, scope and limitations of external applications in homeopathy. Most of us face this problem with posology. What is the repetition and which potency to give? So all these basic queries that each and every practitioner faces, be it a newcomer or a experienced practitioner, posology has always been a challenge with homeopaths. So in this metamorphosis course, our institute gives more clarity on the use of posology. We have advanced course, that is a course in diabetes and thyroid, where we do cover the clinical and miasmatic understanding of thyroid and diabetes. It's more of a clinical approach in handling thyroid and diabetes cases along with its complications. We do have subject experts as well as experts who give sessions on lifestyle management, yoga, diet, and nutrition. So this is a complete package for people who wants to specialize in diabetes and thyroid, and more of clinical aspects are covered in this course. We have finished one batch and currently we are doing the second batch. The same thing with the metamorphosis course also. We have completed 6 batches and we'll be starting our 7th batch soon. The next series that we'll be starting is class to clinic. As I said, most of us, what we learn in our college days and what is the actual experience in clinic is both different. So to bridge the gap between the class and clinic, our institute has come up with webinar series Class to Clinic. It is a customized tailored series for the benefit of our fellow homeopaths to think beyond fixities and routine prescriptions. In this webinar series, we'll be covering topics that are core homeopathic subjects, including the clinical disorders. And in this course, most of the topics that will be covered is related to materia medica, repertory, organon with all its clinical applications. And we do have regular workshops. We have already completed workshops on dermatology and intercurrent remedies, and we'll be conducting regular workshops time and again. To know more about our courses and our workshops, please log into our website www.nicehomeopathy.com. Thank you very much.